Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of chapter Hot and Cold. In this video, we will learn about climate and the factor that determines it. The climate is describing the long-term and average weather condition for a specific region. Climate of a place depends on an average monthly or yearly temperature. If temperature is low, then it will cause cold climate and high temperature will cause hot climate. Climate of a place also depends on an average amount of rainfall or snow. Climate of different places on the earth is different. There are different factors which determine climate of a place. The sun rays falls slanting which go away from the equator. So, farther a place is from the equator, the lesser heat it receives from the sun. The equator passes through the center of the earth, so sun rays fall directly on this part of the earth. This direct sun rays make this region hottest region in the world. Distance from the sea or the water bodies is also a factor that determine the climate of a place. During the night, the land cools down faster and water is still warm. So, cool air from the land moves towards water, replace the rising warm air. During the day, the land gets heated faster and the air above it arises. So, the cool air from above the sea blows towards the land and cools the temperature on the land. The slow moving air from the land to the sea during the night is called land breeze, and during the day, the slow moving air from the sea to the land is called sea breeze. The places near the sea or water bodies have a moderate type of climate. They have moderate summers and pleasant winters. The places near the sea or water bodies have a moderate type of climate. They have moderate summers and pleasant winters. The height of a place from the sea level also determines the climate of a place. The height of a place above the sea level is known as its altitude. One higher place is above sea level, the cooler the place and its climate. The places on the height from the sea level gets slanting sun rays and have cold climate. As we move above the sea level, the temperature begins to decrease. This is the reason that mountain peaks remain covered with the snow. These winds also affect the climate of the place that come from over the water bodies, bring moisture and cause the rain to land. The winds coming from hot areas increases the temperature while winds coming from the cold areas decreases the temperature. During summer, hot winds from the Rajasthan called Loo makes the western parts of the northern plains very hot. The amount of water vapors or moisture present in the air is called humidity. The winds blowing from above the sea carry a lot of moisture with them. Humid air causes rainfall in the area and dry air makes the climate drier. This is the reason the coastal areas are very humid and receive rainfall as compared to land areas. Well, I hope the topic that we have covered in today's class is clear to you. Next part of the topic we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you.